Hey everyone, my name is Ankur Variku. I'm an entrepreneur and a content creator based out of India. I have a team of 14 people and we are completely remote, spread across the country. So every 3 months we meet for 4 to 5 days. We call it an offsite, and that's the time when we come together, we discover each other, we bond, and then we go into our own worlds to just work the way we do. तो इस बार हमने बहुत अलग से एक एक्सपीरियंस डिसाइड किया था. Everyone opted for and voted for a trek. I think what they had in their mind was a hike, कि वो एक दिन जाएंगे and then we'll come back. What they weren't expecting was the intensity with which we pulled this off. So we started scanning, and India Hikes was evidently the choice because you guys are the best at what you do. And we were thinking of where to go, so we picked up Bias Kund, but closer to the date we were told that because of safety concerns that may not be the right choice. So we moved to Brigu Lake, and commendably the team instantly adjusted everything that they had prepared for and made it happen. So we spent 4 glorious days. Today is the last day. We're trekking down now and descending to the base camp, and I'm recording this with absolutely my heart and all full of appreciation for the India Hikes team for how they have done it. To give you a context, our previous offsites have been what I would call, and this is generally the best word that I can use, full of pamper. And pamper largely means luxury. Like, so we stay at really fancy places, hotels, we dine well, we eat well. And while all of that is also appreciated, we've never had a connect with nature in the way that we did today and the last 4 days. What I found was a very surreal feeling of the team coming together in a way that they've never done before. I'll give you a simple example. Because of the campsite that we have, which is all there in the open, for the first time people saw how other people brush their teeth. It's as simple as that. But it's ridiculous how these choti cheezein make you feel so connected with people who are not your family, who are not your necessarily friends, but are your colleagues. And then you're living with them in small places, you're walking with them, you're supporting them, or you're seeking their support. क्योंकि ये आसान ट्रैक नहीं है, हम 14,000 feet climb करके गए हैं. And all of this has happened almost like as easy as it sounds because we had this collective power. And I thoroughly enjoyed this experience because this is not what we used to or what we experience in city life. So the objective for this trek was very clear. It was, how can we connect with nature and thus with ourselves in a manner that's truly minimalist. We often in today's world spread ourselves far and wide. जितना पैसा होगा, जितनी ज़मीन होगी, जितने कपड़े होंगे, and we haven't had a shower for the last 4 days. I've been wearing the same t-shirt, the same pants, and everything has been कि जितना कम आपका दायरा हो सकता है उतने में ही रहिए. वो 2 फुट बाय 2 फुट के टेंट में ही आपकी पूरी दुनिया बसी होगी. Your trek pole is your best friend. People around you are all that you have. If you slip, they hold you. If you're low, they make you go up. Everything is just in this small cocoon. And then you're facing all of these mighty mountains who've been developing and shaping themselves up for millions of years, and you feel really small. But in that minuteness of life, you truly begin to appreciate how important life is and how important everything that we often take for granted is. That was the objective, and 100% checked. While the mission and vision for India Hikes is that everyone should trek, if I had to add in my little bit here, I have nobody to say so. Every entrepreneur mandatorily should trek. Like, it should be like a national government policy. Because this is truly the test of what real life will be when you go back into your business. It's unpredictable. You cannot plan. I remember we came in and it was like raining cats and dogs, and we were like, ये तो खत्म है, अब तो होने नहीं वाला है. And yet it happened. On the day of the summit, which was previous yesterday, we climbed from 12 to 14,000 feet. We were very scared क्योंकि रात को insane thunder showers हुई थी. And we were like, गया आज का दिन, कुछ नहीं दिखने वाला, कुछ नहीं होने वाला, एक बूंद बारिश नहीं हुई. So things will go your way, things will not go your way, and you will never know, but you'll have to adjust. You'll always have to adjust. You'll always have to realign yourself and be super agile to make that happen. You will feel low. You will feel small, you will feel like things are not working out your way, but if you have your collective, and more importantly you have yourself and the conversation you have in here, you will rise up. And the biggest thing is one step at a time. फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि कितना टाइम लिया आपने. We had team members who were perhaps slower than the rest by hours. There were people who scaled the summit faster. बट एट दी एंड सभी समिट पे साथ ही बैठे हुए थे और सभी समिट से साथ ही निकले. सो इट जस्ट टेल्स यू वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम इज़ अ स्ट्रैटेजी. देर इज़ नो स्लो, देर इज़ नो फास्ट. एवरी वन हैज़ देयर ओन पेस, एवरी वन हैज़ देयर ओन पर्सनैलिटी, एवरी वन हैज़ देयर ओन आइडेंटिटी. तो आपके स्टार्टअप में भी आपको उतना ही टाइम लगेगा जितना लगना है. आपकी फितरत जैसी है उसी के हिसाब से आपका स्टार्टअप भी बनेगा. बट वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम मीन्स शोइंग अप एवरी डे. मैंने अपनी किताब में भी ये लिखा हुआ है, एंड इट्स वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट quotes of all time, that the pro is the amateur who shows up every day. And trekking teaches you that. 14,000 फीट, एंड अमित और शर्वी ने हमारे जहन में ये गाड़ दिया कि 14,000 फीट कोई मजाक नहीं है. जनरली जब हम वहाँ पहुँचे थे ना तो हमें लगा ये समिट हो गया वगैरह, एंड देन दे वर लाइक ये माउंट फूजी से 2,000 फीट ऊपर है. एंड इंसिडेंटली वी जस्ट कम बैक फ्रॉम जापान, और हमें माउंट फूजी दिख रहा था. मैंने ये कितना विशाल बड़ा सा है. एंड सडनली यू हैव क्लाइंब 2,000 फीट अबव दैट. इट इज़ इंसेन व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ इट. हाउ डिड इट हैपन? जस्ट वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम. कीप लुकिंग एट योर फीट, one step at a time, one step at a time. And another thing which I love, and ये भी entrepreneurial advice, when you're let's say in snow, तो you don't know where to step your foot on, and the best thing is कि आपके सामने वाले ने जहाँ अपना पैर रखा होगा ना, अगर आप वहीं रखेंगे you will be safer than usual. So what others have done, even if you copy the exact same thing, you will succeed. बट बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि यार इनोवेशन, कूल, एलॉन मस्क बनना है, कुछ अलग करना है, ये करना है. नहीं दोस्त, हर एक इंसान को बहुत रॉकस्टार बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इफ़ यू वर टू फॉलो द फुटस्टेप्स ऑफ पीपल हु हैव कम बिफोर यू एंड दे हैव डन व्हाट यू विश टू डू, you will get there. And all of these are just insane learnings that something as magnificent as a off-site trek could teach you. So mandatory, if I were the एजुकेशन और द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिस कंट्री, आई लाइक ये तो जब तक मैं सैंक्शन ही नहीं करूँगा स्टार्टअप का स्टेटस अगर आपने ट्रैक नहीं किया लाइफ में. थैंक यू इंडिया हाइक्स फॉर ऑल दैट यू डू. इट रियली मेक्स अ डिफरेंस, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट पीपल एज पैशनेट एज यू हु own up, show up every day, and make the world realize how important the world we stay in is, and how we need to both protect it, and through this journey protect our own sanity in so many ways. Because once you go back into the city life, the world just takes over and you get lost in the crowd, only to realize you're not even living your own life but someone else's. So thank you for that reminder.